What's up, guys? This is Philly Storage RC. Today I got my Arrma Typhon 6S. What I'm doing today, I'm testing out my I switched the motor and ESC out in this. I have the Mamba Monster ESC, and I have the Castle 1650 kV motor. You know, that's the only upgrade I did besides the center braces. It's the EXB and the EXB plate right here. I have everything else is stock. Servo is an Amazon special servo because you don't really need, I don't need too much power. 25 kg upgraded servo arm. That's about it. Just want to do a quick test to see how this can handle. How, you know, I haven't ran this yet. I want to see if it could how it performs with this ESC and motor. Let's get into it. And another thing, I'm running these tires. These tires belong to, it's D boots, but they belong to the 3S Typhon. So hopefully I don't shred them. We'll see. Oh yeah. I don't know if I can one-hand it with this car. This thing is moving. Oh my God, I should have brought my GPS so I can track this speed. Wow. That takes skill right there. Skillful driving. Shit. No, this thing is too, I gotta switch the tires up. This thing is not, it cannot handle these tires cannot handle it. Yeah. Skill right there. Oh, let me check them temps real quick. Be right back. I cannot keep this thing straight. It is way too fast. I guarantee this got to be up there to like maybe 100 miles an hour. Let me work this. My battery is low. And that's the only thing I didn't prepare for, because I thought these batteries was good and it's saying low. Best believe it's a speed test coming up soon. But as always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Philly Storage RC, and I'm out.